Section 21-2 Grammar Points. Grammar Point 1. La A personal. Personal A. The personal A is a unique grammatical feature in Spanish that does not exist in English. Below are some do's and don'ts regarding the use of this preposition. 1. Use the personal A if the object of a sentence involves a person or other personified objects, including animals or pets. Por ejemplo, los estudiantes escuchan al profesor. Buscamos a nuestro gato. No puedo encontrar a mi Pedro. La artista les escribe muchas cartas a sus amigas. El pájaro necesita a Fernando. Two. The personal A is also used for words replacing people, such as nadie, alguien, and quién. Por ejemplo, ¿a quién mira usted? ¿Veis a alguien por allí? No, no vamos a nadie. Three. There's no need to use the personal A after the following verbs: I, meaning there is or there are, and any forms of the verb tener, to have. Usually. Sometimes there are exceptions. Por ejemplo, no tengo hermanos. Ellos tienen una tortuga. Hay 2 fresas y 5 libros sobre la mesa. Four. There's no need to use the personal A if the personified object or the person we're referring to is unknown. Por ejemplo, buscamos un alumno. Buscamos a un alumno que se llama Juan. In the next video, we'll cover some practice questions to review the grammar points of personal a. See you in the next video.